Let's talk broader markets and earnings. Join us now, Kari Firestone, Chairman and CEO of Aureus Asset Management and a CNBC contributor. Are you surprised, Kari, that people are so downbeat? Only 3.5% unemployment. What's not to like? I mean, well, inflation really colors everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's impossible to put on your television or listen to anything about the news without hearing people talk about the recession is coming. I mean, this is the most anticipated and expected recession we've ever had. And for a year plus, all of the strategists, economists, and anyone who's sort of an expert talks about it. And so that seeps into the way the public thinks. You know, and inflation, as you say, is a huge deal when you have to pay twice as much for chicken or eggs and milk. You notice it, and that, you know, the car market. Just think about what's happened with pricing. So yeah, unemployment is very low. We don't usually have recessions when there's 3.5 or 6% unemployment. But I can understand how people answer that question.
We have been, as you point out, since October, we were at 35 and change on the S&P, 3,500 and change, climbing a wall of worry. And I say that all the time. I mean, unless there's something really a lot worse than what we already think, and it's already pretty bad, what's hitting us in the face, and the market has still climbed. And you say it hasn't retested those lows because we may have one more hike, and the market's sniffing that out, maybe 25 more, and that's it?
Yeah, I mean, the fact that the Fed might raise one more and probably will raise 25 basis points, that's a long way from where we were a year ago, where we were having 75 basis point rate increases and unemployment was low, but people were saying, oh, it's definitely going to get higher, and the inflation rate got to 9%. We haven't had anything but the numbers going in the right direction. So inflation is down to 5. I mean, I know it's not 2, but it's certainly a lot better than it was. And the interest rates have been coming down, and 25 basis points is a far cry from 75. And the economy is sort of chugging along. I mean, it might not be great if you're getting out of business school and thought you had the big 175 or 200 starting salary at Bain or McKinsey, but at least you get to be a yoga instructor, and they keep you in, I guess, the employed category. But I think things are better, and the market sees that. You just heard Johnson & Johnson report a better number than expected. And the banks are not going to be worse than expected, I think. So the market, understands that, and it's taken advantage of where we were in October 12th, at 35.77, up about 16%, and the NASDAQ is up by almost 19%. I mean, the market's not cheap, but it was much cheaper then. And the strategists have been wrong. The market has gone higher, not back to the old lows.
I like some of these stuff. So you own over 1% in your portfolio of Thermo, a scientific CRM, Salesforce, I guess, right?
Salesforce. Yes, Salesforce.
ALGN is not Allergan, it's Align, and then Verizon. So you like?
It's Align.
Yeah, it's Align. I know. And then
Visa.
Visa, right? Oh, that's right. That's right. That's VZ is Verizon. And then Charles Schwab, too.
Exactly. Well, Schwab really got carried down with all of the fear in the banking industry. And in March, they had a lot of inflows, not outflows. I think it was wrongly characterized as a problem financial. And it's a very strong financial. So, we like that. It's very, very cheap. It's 10 times earnings. And the others are all experiencing growth. I mean, it's a varied picture. Thermo Fisher had a great COVID experience because of all the testing they supplied for COVID vaccines and drugs. But it's still chugging along. And it's a company that supplies all types of instrumentation for, biomedical companies and universities around the world. And CRM, they've got some religion there. That earnings should be a whole lot better than it was a year ago. There's a lot of streamlining. Visa remains dominant in its field. And Align, when China is opening up, people are getting their teeth fixed, and they're spending the money to do so. So that's been a very good performing stock, really good stock this year. And we bought it last year, and we continue to think it can go a lot higher.